ADCs, Autonomous District Council. Masina, here na muksokchele. Go to hills of this double engine government. Go to hills, go to hills. Karai sakharge go to hills to. Election ji January ki tang ama 2020. Masida ADC ki tam loi khreba. 2020 ni haujik chahi kya sure 52 months. 4 years and 4 months. Sahi mari ga tha mari. Se ai phajana kholabani. Guwahati ki court ki direction pi sarkar na inbidi. Court na direction pi base masi sarkar na inbidi ba. ADC election tawsi. Prasha phanghansi hai base singi package lauthoki Senapati ki Urkhul ki Tamenglong ki Churchanpur ki Kangpokpi ki Chandel ki lauthui ba package mayam jingsidi Pasham ta piramdre. This is a fact. Asumpane. This is the reality. Masigi Autonomous District Council the lady base Taruk ni. Taruk sida Sarkar ki District Council amada council si ki member kunmari leini. Aduga pullaga government nominee ani ni hakpani pullaga 26 ni. Autonomous District Council amada laigedaba members 26 ni. Hairiba 26 pullaga 156 for all the hills. Hairiba ADC member mayam jingse 2020 dagi sahi mari ga tha mari se masi 15 finance commission dagi pasha piraktre masi pasha piraktri singse sing the lauthokiba package mayam do 15 finance commission gi yauro laukhin honorable chief minister na sing the chalaga cabinet mi phamaga package lauthoi do 15 finance commission gi package yauro laukhin ne aduga lauroga hojikna pasha piramdre 15 finance commission gi aduna masida handakta nauna Assembly the passed away. October ki tang taramari 2024 se Assembly the Hill Area Committee ne pass resolution am lowi. Autonomous District Council sing sida election tawdringai maraksida administrative committee or committee temporary committee am semaga. Masi thabak tawu yanaba hai. It's a very funny. This order of the Assembly is a really funny. It is a very joker with the people of Hill Area. They are creating joke with the hill people. They are betraying, they are befooling the people of hill area. Masigi resolution say it is really condemned. It is undemocratic. It is illegal. This is against the provision of the Constitution of India. This type of resolution of the hill area committee. Masida hairiba se aikoi ki constitution ki against the logo warek ne. Masi court ne yadaba. A constitution ki mayok te leib ne. Masigi 15 finance commission ki 2022 dagi Pasha mayam si finance department thaduk to na leibse masi semjel laga pasha mayam singse crore khara ADC mum leibse loot tawge tawne. This is a plant of looting. This resolution signifies the type of looting of the people of hill area by this double engine government. Masi loot tawge tawne. Masi pasha se election ADC ki election tawdrabati sahi mari ga tha mari 15 Finance Commission the piriba 1000 crore only for the local bodies. Si pachasi am ta logo yaroi haujik su pidre sahi ani pidre amadra sahi hum pidre amadra sahi mari pidre aduna marbo ekanda si pachase sigi resolution sin thokpasu yaroi try di tawrubani pasigi pachase attempt to loot aduna it's a violations whatever it is in this constitution of India Finance Commission ki provision as per the Constitution, adegi local bodies ki Constitution the piriba provisions, formation of the local bodies, which is provided in the constitutions. This Masigi Constitution is totally violated. Ada Masigi Constitution the piriba se double engine government sina ngaktre, masi ngakta basina maram oirkanda ngasidi. Aikoi puramaki right male activity laitre aikoi ki centrum fail oire aikoi ki budget pixel e aikoi ki praja sing de phangada day to day phangada pasha mayam sing do ngasidi central government grant ni pe sing do local body municipal council PRIs panchayat ADCs mayam de pi ba fund mayam sing do ngasi loina Ministry of Finance ta panduna leire ngasi sahi taret henjala ba sarkar sina sahi mari pasha pi da base Masi aikoi ki right me amat pase government sigi failure masigi government sin praja da kari khali masigi democracy sat palai bak tai koi puramaki hak matpa makoi na tawning bada तौबा हाइडिंग बदा हाइबा फुडिंग बदा फुबा अदगी लूट तौबगी पांदम मसा मसा की अकाउंट संगनबा होनबदा मसीगी लो इंदबसिना मरम ओरकांद ngasiदी मणिपुर से डेमोक्रेसी चटप लेबाक ओइरक्त्रे ngasiदी मणिपुर से डिक्टेटरशिप चटप लेबाक ओइरे जस्ट लाइक दी एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन junta administration in the Myanmar haibado ai haininge Myanmar da chaliba rule law nongbai singdon da rule chatpado ngasi leibak asin chaliba se nongbai singdon da junta army rules in Myanmar siga chamana na ngasi chale ai koi gi sangvidhan sida ngasi ai koi chatre haiba se masina proof tawre aduna maram orkanda atu matam da election taw ai koi gi praja gi hak phagalu 15 finance commission ki paisa lawsi 16 finance commission smoothly chalansi. This is all about press conference. Thank you.